Hey TikTok enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. I've got something exciting to share to you all. So here today I'll share with you a step-by-step guide on how to become a TikTok affiliate and earn commissions online from TikTok. Alright, so what is a TikTok affiliate marketing? First things first, let's talk about TikTok affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic way to earn commissions by promoting products or services on TikTok. So affiliate marketing is all about partnering with brands, using unique affiliate links, and earning a commission on sales through those links. To get started, sign up for affiliate program that align with your niche or target audience. Then next, you'll have to look for brands that offer affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or specific brands with their own affiliate program. And then step 3 would be choose the right products. Select products that you genuinely love and believe will resonate with your TikTok audience. And of course, remember, authenticity is key. Don't promote products just for the sake of earning commissions. Create engaging TikTok content. Now it's time to get creative. Create engaging and eye-catching TikTok content featuring the products you want to promote. Make sure your videos are entertaining, informative, and showcase the product's benefits in a fun and relatable way. So use affiliate links in your captions. When you post your TikTok videos, add your unique affiliate link in the video caption. This link will direct your viewers to the product's sales page, and you'll earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Keep track of your TikTok affiliate marketing performance and see which videos drive your sales the most. Understanding your data helps you optimize your content and strategies for even better results. Lastly, engage with your TikTok audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build genuine connection with your followers. The more you interact, the more trust you build, and that feeds to more conversions. Wrap up and call to action. And there you have it, your ultimate affiliate marketing tutorial. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I'm Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng Bayan.